Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example of a front clip. This particular front clip, 2024 Santa Cruz. Customer is also getting right front suspension as well as a steering rack. And we are just past the cleanup stage. It is about to go on a separate skid, get wrapped up, and we'll be heading up to New York State via freight truck. The customer is lucky enough to get this one in color. It's a match for him, which is pretty rare, but it does happen. So we've gone over it. I'm looking for major imperfections or problems within that paint to report back to him if there are any. Having found none, he's going to be really, really thrilled with this one, I believe. So as you can see, you get the hood, the fenders, the headlights, the front bumper, rad, condenser, fans, grille, obviously. I'll get you under the hood here, show you what else to expect when you order one. We'll pop back here towards the dash. Sorry, a little tight today as we get this one wrapped up. There is no dash, there is no subframe, there's no airbags, of course. Splash shield, airbox, tubes, things of that nature are in this bag, and they will go with the shipment, as well as the other parts. We're going to combine the shipping to help him save on this one. So because of the value and the cost, a wire transfer was the only way to do it. He had no issues successfully doing the wire transfer, so now we move on to the stage where he gets his parts. Get you under the hood. Now under the hood, you can see everything that is in here. All the cooling is there. Rad condenser fans. Wiring harness. There's a fuse box. Brake boosters there. That's not always promised. We usually leave them behind, but not all the time. It just depends on value, demand, things of that nature, but it's not promised with the front. So if you need one, please ask me. Same with motor mounts. And there's an ABS pump back here. That's even more rare that we leave one of those behind, but he's getting lucky today. Another motor mount over there. Washer bottle, overflow bottle, rad support to cover all the insulation up under the hood. Gorgeous front end, actually. This one's really, really nice shape. I think he's going to be really, really pleased. So if you're looking for a front clip like this, or one of the many others we have in stock, please feel free to shoot me a message. My name's Jared. You can reach me at 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. You can find me on any of the social media sites or via Gmail. Look up JaredWeberBros, either at Gmail or on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you choose to use, and I promise you'll find me. Thanks for watching. And here is the finished product for freight. So this measures in at 92 inches by 88 inches by 65 inches, 1,259 pounds. This took my guy about 4 hours to wrap up from what you saw just a moment ago to this new skid. There's framework inside. The roof is slanted. That's done on purpose. So the freight companies don't stack on top of it. They will still try, which is disastrous. But that's why we build that slant. It has nothing to do with the vehicle. That's a protection only situation. So if you're buying a front, having it freight shipped to you, and it looks anything other than like this when it arrives, meaning a corner is crushed, the tarp is torn and taped back up, the wood frame is busted along the bottom, you see punctures in this plastic, anything that makes it look not like this, you must tell me before the driver leaves. Not 10 minutes later, not a day later. The moment he arrives, you must make him sign a document that says damage was found. We do insure these things, but if you don't make the claim the moment they arrive, all hope is lost. You will be stuck. If you call me and tell me there's damage, I can go to bat for you. We can get money back, get things fixed up and figured out. But if you don't tell me right away, again, I can't stress it enough. If you tell me a day later, I'm going to say I'm sorry to hear that. That's just the way the freight companies operate. That is not me. But having said that, gorgeous front end, great wrap job. T-Force, one of our carrier freight partners, going to show up here in an hour or two, pick this thing up, and this will be from Pennsylvania to New York in a day, probably two. They said a day, but I always plan on an extra day because this is huge. So all the drivers are always surprised when they get here to find a 1,200-pound package that takes up almost half of their trailer. So if you're in the market for a front clip and you need it shipped, just let me know. My name, again, is Jared. I can be reached at 800-222-2528. My direct extension, 112. And like I mentioned previously, you can find me pretty much anywhere. Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. I'm out there. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. You'll find me. Thanks for watching.